We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Hey, all my beautiful nail besties. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we got some nail mail. Love me some nail mail. And it's from Enail Couture. I freaking love Enail Couture. Oh my gosh, if I could buy all Enail Couture, I would. I just love their products. So they are getting ready to bring in a bunch of new items. So they have a huge sale going. Plus they had a 4th of July discount code that I took advantage of. And I got tons and tons of stuff. They threw in this cute little freebie that has some gold accent pieces, some seed beads, some bigger rhinestones, some smaller rhinestones, just a really cute little mix of stuff. So thank you, Max and Enail Couture. I appreciate the freebie. I got tons and tons of foils and stickers in this haul, you guys. Like massive amounts. So I got 11 cases of foils and 14 sheets of stickers. I do only show 11 sheets of the stickers though, because 3 of them are for a collab with my friend Anne here on YouTube that is coming up. So keep an eye out for that if you want to see them. So starting off, I did order some more mini stilettos. If you don't know, these are my favorite mini stiletto nail tips in the entire world. Well, that I've tried so far, I should say. And I did notice that this that the tips were etched. When I got them before, they were not etched. So I am super glad that these ones did come etched, because that does help a lot with the prep and saving me time, of course. So again, I am not going to show 3 of these. I am pulling these out. And we will start with the stickers. All right, so this first set I actually really like, and I use these in an upcoming nail video that I will be uploading in the next couple days. But super cute. They're like dimensional. I really like these ones. These are listed as mermaid tails, so I will tell you the name that they are listed as on Enail Couture's site in case you want to get some. The next ones up are Tropical Summer Neon. I love these ones. I love the neon signs, flamingo vibes. Super cute little set. And the next one up is Queen and Prince. So we got some crowns, some crosses, all that kind of stuff. Very cute little accent stickers. Next up, we have dollar bills, and I really like the little heart ones right here, little money signs. I just thought this would be really cute to incorporate in a money set. Love these ones. These ones are the logos, and I just have to laugh at these ones because there is multiple things wrong with this sheet of stickers. Chanel is spelt wrong, Gucci is spelt wrong, the Louis Vuitton's like letters are wrong. I will still use like the little accents like these, but I just thought this was funny and had to share it with you guys. Next one up is Summer Vibes, again with the flamingos, the palm trees, the kind of little gold accents. I like how these ones have the shift in them too, very cute. Next up is Queen Bee. I love the bees on here. It gives me total like Silence of the Lambs vibes. I'm not sure why the tigers are flying, but they are. But I really enjoy this sheet of stickers as well, the roses and all that. Next one up is Smiley Logos, and I mainly got this one because of the little pink logos. I thought that was super cute. The smileys will come in handy as well, but I thought those pink logos were super cute. Next up, we have Lucky 7, and again, keeping with like the money theme, the cherries were really cute. I liked that it had like the little dice and stuff in there too. Very fun. Next, we have Rock of Love, and I think this one has to be my favorite. I love these little ones that say love with like the guns and grenades. I love the little lips, the little diamonds. Just a very fun sheet. Again, this has to be like my favorite sheet I got. And our last sheet of stickers is Money Honey, and I really like these ones. I love that it has the little smaller single bills. It's got the coins, it's got the In God We Trust, all those different things that you could incorporate to make a beautiful money nail set. So, hopping right into the foils, the first one we have up is the Dream. I really like these ones, especially the clear sheets. These can add such a huge difference to a nail look. Those clear ones with that like oil slick look. I did a simple little nail design on a short the other day and used this over it, and oh my goodness, that has to be one of my favorite sets of foils that I got. Next up is Newspaper, and I really like the tan one at the top of this. It's given me like Burberry vibes with like the plaid look to it. I love that a lot of these ones have roses incorporated with them. I love the comic book ones and the black ones at the bottom. Just a very cute, like almost like vintagey look to a lot of these. Super fun. The next one up is Bellagio, and this one is so cute. I love cherubs. I absolutely think they are just adorable, and every single foil has little cherubs on it. So I really enjoy this little set. I want to do a cherub nail look sometime soon too. Next up is Pillow. These ones are a bunch of different lace ones. I love that it came with like the nude lace looking ones. You got some holographic ones, you know, the black ones, the gold ones, the white ones. Just a very good little mix of lace foils. Next up, we have Sour Candy, and these ones are really cute too. Actually, all the foils I got, to be honest, are very cute. These ones have some like chocolate covered strawberries. There's just a bunch of fun little candy like cupcake, roses, all different sorts. You got the suckers on there, the little hearts. I mean, just super fun little Valentine's Day. There's even some little flower ones, which were really cute too. Sorry about my dog barking too. Next up, we have Lovesick, and this is keeping on with like the same kind of like love theme and hearts and roses. These ones were really fun. I really like those top two, especially the middle one with the gold accent. The bottom one has some like lip ones and kisses. There's some like comic book themed looking ones, even some like candy heart looking ones. These are very cute. Again, I'm so sorry if you hear noise in the background. That is my kid and my dog. Our next one up is Fruity. These ones are very cute, like gradient, ombre kind of vibes. I got 2 of these kind of sets. The next one you'll see is kind of similar as well. But these would be perfect for like either a whole set or an accent nail. Again, here's the other like gradient ones. These ones are snow cone. I love the colors in this one. The super vibrant, fluorescent, neon, just great for summer nails. I actually used that top middle one that I just pointed to in with some of the oil slick ones to create the nail design that I did a short for. You should go check it out. It's very cute. The next one up is Millennium. These ones are so cool. There's like dragon looking ones. That's what I'm going to pull out right now. And they have like some that look like bandanas. I mean, just a bunch of fun holographic style. It's Kind of hard to see, but yeah, there it is. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? I love what these could do for a nail design as well. Either a whole nail set or even just an accent nail. But there's the bandana looking ones down at the bottom. Just a lot of fun designs in that. Next up is Fufu Gold. And these ones are very faint, but would add a beautiful accent nail, or just like when you apply it to a nail, like I did it on top of a red gel the other day, and you couldn't see it until the light hit it just right. So it almost goes invisible, like an illusion, you know what I mean? These are really, really, really cool though. And our last one up is Ariel. And these have some like seashell looking ones, and then a bunch of bandana style ones, which I really, really like. I actually used some of these for a little quick nail design that I came up with as well. And I just love these ones. I love the holographic shift. I think they're absolutely beautiful. So with that being the last item, I did want to go over what it would have cost and what I spent. If I would have paid regular price for everything I got today, I would have paid $160, give or take. But with the sale that they already had going for restocking items, and then the discount code that I'm going to leave in the description, I only paid $27. $27! And that's with shipping. I believe this sale is going until the end of July, so be sure to check it out. I hope you all enjoyed this quick little haul with me today. If you did, be sure to leave the video a like, and if you are feeling generous, comment your favorite item down below. Again, I will leave what I can listed in the description, including that discount code, and if you are not subscribed yet, please consider. I would love to have you join our Nail Bestie family. Again, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.